Hey, so it looks like the Mark Forged is done printing, so let's go get the part. Cool. There it is. Go take it off here. Looks like it came out pretty well. Let's see if we can get it installed. Alright, so I'll press on the shaft, and I was lucky that there's this little flange that managed not to break, so I just put that in. And then we've got the assembly here. And let's see if we can figure out how all this goes together. This goes in there. It's going to go in like that. It's going to go in there. Okay. The band. Okay. Part installed. I was able to reuse the flange here, which miraculously didn't break. And let's spin it. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. We got the pitch just right for the tooth belt. It's spinning really low friction. The belt isn't jumping around, so we know we got that geometry right. And here we can see the little tabs go, which are going to push the round into the two wheels that accelerate them. So let's put this assembly together. Got the safety switch here, and this I noticed has a really nice little clicking action just due to the compliance of this arm here. So that's a really clever way to do it without needing a spring or any other features. And then I was wondering, why did they mold this piece separately? And as I feel it's really slippery, so it must be Delrin or Palm, something with a super low coefficient of friction. And as we set it in here, let's see how that wants to go, what it's doing is basically providing support for the belt as a backstop, just so that these tabs can stay engaged with the rounds while not creating excessive friction. So that would explain why they made a different part. So put together the gearbox. And it looks like that shaft goes there, maybe. This goes here. Get everybody lined up. And does it still spin? Oh, looking good. Okay, put on the screws. Okay, let's double check it still spins. Looking good. So the final test here. Get it installed. Okay, that looks pretty good. And let's give it a test before we screw it all together here. See if it works. That's awesome. We did it. So yeah, by using Onshape and the Mark Forged, we were able to recreate this custom gear, which otherwise would have been a showstopper for our ability to enjoy this gun post teardown. Thanks for watching.